Brownie, come here. Come here. We're going to feed her a roach. See if she wants it. Come here. You know the drill. Come on. You gotta come here. You gotta come here. Hey, Dingleback, over here. You know what we do. Come on. Over here. She usually comes to this little thing right here. Hey, dum-dum, come on. Hello. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Want some food? Nope, you gotta come down. She's like, I'm working on it. Hold on. Say, hold on, I'm working on it. Huh? Okay, almost there. You ready? I know she will. Oof.
What?
Did you want it? Ew.
She biting it?
She ate the head. Okay, you can take it from the tongs now. Oh, you chuck. No, it almost did though. The headless roach is trying to crawl. Like, I'm not even joking, it's literally headless. It literally has no head. How are you crawling if you have no head? That's what I want to know. Ugh. Oh, but she's loving it. Oh, you dum-dum. And still the headless roach tries to crawl. You're dumb. Love you, honey. Which one? Who's dumb? The hamster. Here.
How are you doing this?
You nasty.
What?
She just stuck it in her cheek pouch. You gross. You're not getting another one until you eat that one.
No, she's gonna go put it in her house.
Oh, if she does, and she wakes up with a itchy butt, it's her own damn fault.
Itchy butt?
From the thing crawling on her.
No,
Well, she likes it. Bye.